Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and post a spotlight on Snapchat. So creating and posting a spotlight on Snapchat is a straightforward and an excellent way to share entertaining or creative content with a broad audience. And here's a step-by-step guide to do it. First, just open the Snapchat account, sign in. So ensure that you already signed into your account, and here you can just open the camera. You can tap on the circular camera button in the center button of the screen. Okay, this one's right here. Now you can just record your video. Hold the record button to capture the video just like this. And here you can also use the timer on hands-free recording options if needed. And Snapchat video for spotlight can be up to 60 seconds long. Now if you want to, you can also edit your videos here. You can add music, you can add text or anything. And now you can also use creative tools like lens or AR effects to make your videos stand out. And you can also adjust the speed of the video by trim the clip if needed. You can see, and also make a sticker. Now if you want to post it into spotlight, you can now just tap on the send button, send to option, and in here you need to select spotlight. You can see reach millions of Snapchatters. You can click on this, and now you can click on OK. So you need to agree to the terms. So if it's your first time posting, Snapchat might prompt you to review it and agree to spotlight submission guidelines. You can just tap on OK in here, click on OK again. Now you can add a description, add a caption. You can write a brief and engaging caption to describe your snap. You can keep it concise and relevant. And you can also include hot topics or hashtags. You can use this one in here. You can add relevant hashtag or topics to help your spotlight snap reach the right audience. Okay, so when you done, you can choose to click on the send button, and now your spotlight will be sent or will be uploaded. And so that's all for me. If this guide helped you, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. If you still have question, leave a comment down below, and also click on the thanks and subscribe button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.